Yo, welcome back to my channel. So, guess where I'm at? I'm in Punta Cana right now. So I told y'all it was gonna be my birthday. So it's my birthday tomorrow. I'm gonna turn up. And Audrey in the inside. I don't know what she's doing right now, but let's go see the room tour real quick. This is Anaya. Say hi. Let's go. So this is how you come in. You know, put the little yeah, y'all like that. Welcome, Audrey. Girl, look at Audrey. So this is our room tour. So we put up, this is the little crib that we got. So I just literally called room service right now, literally for it, because I'm like, I need it for Anaya. But this is our master suite here in Falcons Melia Resort. And it has the fridge. Basically, it's all inclusive. You could drink whatever the hell you want to drink up in this month. It's my birthday, so I'm gonna drink what I want. So it got milk, it got, what is it, the little Heinekens. It has the boxed water down there, that's actually water. It got orange juices, Coca-Colas. This the sink, this the stuff over here. And oh, I forgot to show y'all the little bar. They got the teas, the coffee, boy, I got the little Nespresso. I got the M&Ms, Audrey done ate an M&M. And of course, $35 for a bag of chips. So what? I'm just kidding, it's pesos, 35 pesos. Cause I forgot to show y'all when I came in. So it has these to store all your clothes. So we already put like our book bags there. This is like, you know, to lock on if you got some money or lock something in there. Got the, this side over here. So you just pull it back this way. And it has your iron and all that stuff. Oh girl, God bless you. So now we're gonna walk this way. Y'all like the art? I made this. I made it right here. I did make it, girl.
You did not make
Audrey
that.
this is the mirror right here.
You did not paint that leaf. You never need to
Then they got
paint
the
it.
little,
Only one time.
the light. This is so beautiful. Now we got this right here, real quick. And then this is the sofa pull out. And then the painting as well. I got the little TV on the side and stuff. And now we're gonna come out. We're gonna go to the bedroom, the master bedroom. So y'all come with me. And wait, I forgot. We gotta go this way. I go this way, y'all. We gonna come to the bathroom with me. Hey, the bathroom big as hell. Anaya, I wish Anaya knew how to walk, y'all, cause she heavy as hell. She actually slept the whole plane ride, y'all. So now this is the shower in here. I'm gonna go in there with all shoes and everything. Ooh, take a shower. Got the little shampoo, conditioner, body wash. I love it. It looks all orange and stuff. So pretty. And now, these are birthday vibes. I ain't gonna lie. Like this is a birthday like vibe. Thanks, babe. Like
you're welcome.
Woo! This bay in the back, and now we got the bathroom. Hold on, pulling this wrong. Come this way. Ooh, snap. We got the toilet with the painting in the top. And I could call. Hello? Hello? Yeah, I want a burger with some fries and the Presidente. Hey! And yo, and Tall Alpha come up in here too. So we trying to listen to some bamboo music. Okay. So now, we got the toilet paper right here. Y'all, you know it got like some little aesthetic too. I forgot, look. The stuff in here, it got the little dental kits. I was just telling Audrey on the plane how I forgot our shower caps. Got the shower cap right here. And then some shaving kits and all that other good stuff. And then in here, we got like the hair blow dryer. And then the little mirror, full mirror. And now, let's go on out this way. Back again.
Mom, we're gonna go to the balcony.
Then we're gonna go back this way. And we're gonna go back to the room. Hey, 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 hey. I don't know where this music came from, but this is our room that we're gonna be at for a couple days, enjoying my birthday. Ooh, let's see. Oh, it feels so soft. Oh, Audrey, where you at, girl? Oh, she said not here. She enjoying her own self.
Right here.
There she go. Come here. Jump on the bed, girl. How it feel? How it feel? How it feel? Hey. Where you at again? Where you at again? Where you at again?
Punta Cana.
Girl, Punta Cana. We in DR with it. Vibes. Now, let me show y'all. Let me show y'all. Oh snap! What is this though? Like, oh. We got
Amazing time.
the robes over here. We got the jacuzzi. This is a whole vibe, y'all. Like, literally could come in here. We got 2 sinks. We vibing. And, ooh, watch you about to break the jacuzzi. Can't take these kids nowhere.
Okay, girl.
And now, we about to, actually, oh, these the robes right here. So this for me, for daddy. And this one for me, over here. So it's crazy because I really forgot my robe at home. And I didn't have no space because I done unpacked a brick full of diapers. Diapers and stuff for Anaya and stuff. And child, the jacuzzi though. This looks so lit. Right when I came in here, I was like, damn, this is so beautiful. It's giving luxury vibes. It's giving, damn, I want to just chill in here and like, come in here. Oh my God, like, yeah. This is a vibe. Yeah. Yeah, Audrey, you want to come in here? Yeah. Come on, and show them. Yes, this is a vibe. Oh, girl, it's kind of wet. Be careful, girl. I don't wet my feet. Come on, let's get up. Let's get up. Let's get up. Oh, párate. Come on, Audrey. You gotta get out. Oh my God. Hold on. Oh Lord, I'm stuck. All right, y'all. This video. Ooh, it's
Okay,
crazy.
show them the big surprise.
Yes. Hold on, y'all. We coming this way now. Let's go. So we going. It's another door, and it takes us back to our bathroom and stuff. You feel me? Now we coming out this way. So we back in the master suite. We back in this shit again. This is so nice. I just want to show y'all so bad. So hold on. This is right here.
Yeah, but the door's kind of locked.
Our sofa. I think Audrey already claimed this bed over here. The sofa bed. Now let me show y'all. This is so beautiful. Like, alright now. Why y'all playing?
The door's locked.
Why y'all playing? The door's locked.
Trying to
This
go
lit.
outside.
Welcome to my casa. Hold on, y'all. Oh Lord. What you done did, Audrey?
I tried
Welcome
to
to
open
my
the
crib.
door, okay?
Paradise.
But I left it on accident.
It's beautiful, y'all. Look. We
This
got the
is-
pool right here. We got the jacuzzi right here.
Yeah, then we go in the jacuzzi.
You can come relax, have a drink and stuff, and then down there is all the pools, the restaurants, and all that good stuff. Oh, and y'all can call room service 24/7. So when I feel like it, you can do whatever the hell you want. So yeah, Audrey already in the jacuzzi. All we need is the bubbles, y'all.
Go in the jacuzzi.
Look at Audrey enjoying herself. Yes, girl.
Swimming.
We literally just landed off the plane, y'all. We literally just landed off the plane. So we a little tired. Now we finna come this way with it. And oh snap, where we finna go to next? So now,
Out.
what is it? How you, oh, we back in the room though. I love this. This is so beautiful. The bed, the color, it's giving really like luxury. And I love it. But yes, this is the end of the room tour and how it looks. It's beautiful.
Oh, Mommy, you also forgot
happened?
about the ear stuff.
Oh snap, look. Y'all, Audrey reminded we got the earbuds for when we want to go to the pool for our ears. But yes, what y'all
I'll
think
take the red one.
about the place, the room tour?
I'm gonna
We
take
tired, we about to get ready. I ain't even gonna lie. I'm gonna keep vlogging some more after this and stuff.
Make sure to like and subscribe.
Girl, bye. Oh, and it's my birthday. What is
Tomorrow.
it? It's my birthday tomorrow. I'm gonna be 29 years old. You gonna turn up for me, Audrey?
Huh?
You gonna sing me happy birthday?
Happy birthday.
Girl, tomorrow. So yes. thank you for watching my video. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and tell me what y'all think about this place. I'm so happy I'm here today, and I'm happy the plane came. We was a little delayed, but it was good. I'm gonna catch y'all in another video. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you. Love y'all. Bye.